Привіт-привіт, мої дорогі студенти! Мене звати Інна. My name is Інна. Вітаю вас на каналі Speak Ukrainian. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. Guys, before we start, I would like to ask you please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. Ну що, почнімо. Guys, as you know, Speak Ukrainian Language School is very motivated to develop new learning materials for you to make the language journey easy and fun. Recently, me and my team, we launched the Ukrainian Language Test. You can take it for free at the website speaky.com, and at the home page in the right corner you will find the bottom check your level. There will be 45 questions about the Ukrainian language vocabulary and grammar, so you're welcome. Check it out. 3 professional teachers from my school developed it, and they have more than 35 years of experience together. So it's very good developed test. And I want to tell you that if you manage to answer all 45 questions correctly, it means that you have like a solid pre-intermediate - intermediate level. So please take it and let me know in the comments below what is your results, what is the most difficult for you in it. I mean, what kind of questions, and I think it's very great, because I feel that many of my students were frustrated as they couldn't understand like what is their level right now, how much they know. And from time to time we did some tests together, and then they could see, okay, I know a lot already, and believe me, you really do. So guys, please take it, let me know how it's like, and I'm very happy to keep developing more learning materials for you. Very soon we will launch something very special. It's a secret for now, but if you want to learn Ukrainian language, you're welcome to check out one-on-one lessons, just for $1 a trial lesson. And also we have a beginner course, from an absolute beginner to a confident speaker, intermediate, group lessons, textbooks, flashcards, everything that you need to learn beautiful Ukrainian language. If you like my job and if you found the language test very useful for you, you can say thank you to us with the help of Patreon, or just you can find the donation link under the video and the description of this video. Please let me know what are the learning materials you want to see from us, and we are very happy to hear to your opinion, because it's very important to us. So дуже дякую. Thank you so much, your teacher Inna and the whole Speak Ukrainian team. Слава Україні!